OpenAI's DevDay 2025 changed everything. AI is no longer just a tool, it's a platform. One that reshapes how companies build, deploy, and operate intelligence across their entire stack. The key takeaway? AI is now production infrastructure. And this year's releases, apps in ChatGPT, Agent Kit, Codeex GA, GPT-5 Pro tiers, and Sora 2 define the new foundation for every tech roadmap. Let's break down what these mean and why they matter. Apps in ChatGPT turn conversation into a runtime. You can now build apps that live directly inside ChatGPT with maps, forms, and cards rendered in line. In other words, Chat becomes a distribution channel. Agent Kit moves AI agents from experiments to production. It offers visual orchestration, governed connectors, and evaluation tools, so your agents act safely at scale. Codeex is now a full engineering copilot, from Slack to CI pipelines. Teams can delegate coding tasks, get instant diffs, and enforce governance through enterprise controls. GPT-5 Pro introduces control over latency, cost, and uptime through priority and scale tiers. Now you can route intelligence like infrastructure, reserving performance for what really matters. And Sora 2 takes text to video to the next level with physics, motion, and synchronized sound. AI is now generating production-ready creative assets in minutes. But with power comes responsibility. OpenAI's platform introduces built-in governance, observability, and security patterns, so innovation scales safely. For leaders, the next step is clear. Pick 5 pilots, name owners, and measure impact. In 60 days, you'll know exactly where these tools move your KPIs. DevDay 2025 marks the shift from AI features to AI fabric. Those who operationalize these tools today will lead tomorrow's platforms and define how intelligence runs at scale. At Kulia AI, we help teams turn announcements into outcomes. Talk to our team and start turning your AI vision into reality.